Welcome to this tutorial on how to create a Reddit account.
Subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with us.
Reddit is a popular social media platform where users can share links and photos and engage in discussions on various topics. Creating a Reddit account is easy, so let's get started. First, go to reddit.com and click on the sign up button in the top right corner of the screen. Next, you must enter your email address and choose a username and password. Your username will be your public identity on Reddit, so choose something that represents you well. Your password should be secure and not easy to guess. Once you have filled in all the required fields, click the Create Account button. Congratulations, you have successfully created a Reddit account. You can now start exploring the site and joining communities, known as subreddits, that interest you. To find subreddits that match your interests, use the search bar at the top of the screen or explore the different categories listed on the homepage. To join a subreddit, simply click on the Join button on the page. You can then start posting and commenting in that subreddit, and even create your own posts. Reddit is a community-driven platform, so remember to follow the site's rules and be respectful toward others. Engage in discussions and share your knowledge and opinions, and you'll find that Reddit is a great place to learn, connect, and have fun. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and happy Redditing!